Hello, in this short video, I would like to show you how our clients are using GridBuddy to manage pipeline and roll out consistent and streamlined processes. So here, supposing I'm a sales rep, an AE, and I start my day off in Salesforce, I come to my sales application, I might see a view like this with my tasks that I can't inline edit. I might have some dashboard components, but then I have to start and fishing for that information and finding up and pulling up the right views of data, list views probably, or reports that are going to give me the view of my data. But then a couple of clicks already into my process, I still don't have a good view for editing all of this information. Here I've got record types enabled, so I can't actually inline edit anything. I couldn't even inline some of the key fields like stages or forecast category or long text fields. So I'd have to come into each opportunity, either edit here or actually pull up the opportunity, and if I had related records, I'd have to scroll down and update that. So a lot of clicks, a lot of confusion, and it's quite cumbersome to go through your pipeline and decide what you're going to update and where. So what GridBuddy has done very successfully is giving your users a very clean and streamlined view of your data, of the different processes in a very easily accessible tabbed view. So here this might be, again, a sales rep view. I can see all my opportunities, my tasks, my count, my leads, whatever information I'm managing, and being able to pull it up in a already pre-filtered and nicely organized way. So here not only am I looking at my tasks, I can actually edit them right from my grid and add my notes, but I can also bring in, and that's the beauty of the multi-object architecture, I can actually bring in the actual contact information, so I don't have to click somewhere else to get the phone number, and I might be even able to update here the mobile number. If I look at my opportunities for this quarter, I might make sure that I'm not missing anything. Again, see a very nice, streamlined, organized view of my data. Here it's been grouped, for example, by forecast category. Immediately jumping at me is something that I need attention to, close dates in the past. I can also bring a nice little chart here to see how this actually looks like by stage and know where I need to focus my attention. But the beauty of GridBuddy, again, is all of this data that I brought in here, I can come in and edit that without having to open each one of these objects, each one of these record one at a time. And if I have, for example, this one, I might be closing it for some reason, I can also very nicely bring in additional fields to accomplish certain parts of my process. But again, the beauty of GridBuddy is really the power of it lies in the multi-object architecture, where I can bring in the related information, and as I'm going through, I can log my tasks for next week, make sure I don't forget, or I can see who are the people that I'm talking to at that account. So GridBuddy is very powerful to streamline your process, make sure it's all visible and clearly designated for your users what they need to do. We're also completely compatible with Lightning and beautifully optimized for that UI. So if you'd like to learn more about it or need a demo, some help to set it up, please contact info@appbuddy.com. We'll be very happy to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.